Hey guys, yeah, I know I'm about to make another discovery based on People Playground. You read the title. Now, I don't know what happened last video whenever I showed you that radio Easter egg, because my mic was acting up that one time. I don't even know what was going on. I think that radio is possessed. Anyway, yeah, so apparently people have been reporting this weird sound in Hybrid, and I've seen it myself, but I kind of made some discovery recently. So, yeah, let's go into it. Alright guys, I have found the sound. As you can see, it sounds very creepy and odd. I don't like that. Yeah, apparently, some dude said that the file name or something's called c.wave. That's what the sound of this weird whole thing is. Gosh, I don't like that. I'm gonna warn y'all now, guys, I'm not really a fan of underwater. Even in video games, underwater creeps me out. Especially if we have to go to the deep dark depths right here. Now, I discovered something whenever I was messing around with the map. After hearing that sound, of course. So, let's go to my environment. And let's set the temperature to the highest, which is 9,000 degrees. Now, if we try go finding the sound again, you don't hear it. It's completely gone. Now, let's set up a light. Give me a second here. Okay, let's just get one of these normal lights, turn it on. Let's resize it too. Because, why not? Make it fully big and compatible for the darkness to be gone. Now, as you can see right here, there's the radio that I showed you last video. But, forget about that. We're trying to look into this weird sound that somebody reported. Now, if we go down here, if you look closely, you can see two drains right here. It's in the very corner of the map of Hybrid. But as you can see, there are two drains. What does this mean? What I think is that this could possibly be the source of that weird sound up here. Maybe these drains are the reason why that weird sound is playing. Like maybe the drains are draining the water and that's why it's making that weird sound. Or maybe they're just here just to be. I'm not completely sure. I just now found out about this. But yeah. Or, you know, another idea is it could be something to do with the radio right here. The radio may have something useful in it. So let's see. Did my light just break? Gosh darn it. Well, let's grab this radio. If I can't even find it. Frick, I hate the darkness. Here it is. Did I even barge it through? Yes, it did. So, what do you all think? Do you think that the radio may have something to do with that weird sound? Or maybe if it's those two drains? You tell me. That's all I know so far. We need to know what that freaking drain thing means. And what I know so far is that it may be the cause of that weird sound. Or it could be the radio that we found just now. Like I showed you last video, but y'all tell me. Y'all look into this mystery. If you need to, use random websites to figure it out, but otherwise, these are my two ideas. It could either be those drains at the bottom of Hybrid, or it could be this radio that's trying to make some sort of connection to the wall. You tell me. Like and subscribe and enjoy.